standby. Ito na ang Papa. Magsasalita na ang Papa, okay? Standby. Standby. All reporters, mga kaibigan, dalok po lamang ng ilang saglit ang tinig ni Pope John Paul II. At ang kanyang mensahe sa mga kabataan ng Pilipinas at ng mundo. Ito na. Abangan natin, mga kaibigan, ilang saglit na lang ito. Now he's leading the crowd. Bago yun ah. John Paul II, he loves you. O ah. Kontra. The people of the Philippines, particularly the youth of the land of the University of Santo Tomas, welcome our Holy Father, Pope John Paul II, popularly known as KP2 to the young. And as a gesture of welcome, we have to formally welcome His Holiness John Paul II to the University of Santo Tomas. He's a very young, energetic, 39-year-old at heart, rector of the University of Santo Tomas, Rolando de la Rosa. Okay, habang nagsasalita yung rector ng UST, narito si Ira Pangaliban. Ira, pasok! Ira! Okay, ako dito natin sa ipapangin mo pa. Tinutuhan pa, nasa simana, itong tipo, John Paul II, Medina. At dito yan, nakikita nga natin. Pinuha po na yung mga estudyante sa paligid. Tayo, ayun, natuloy tayo okay, Ira? Yes, ang itsura ni Pope John Paul II, sinasabi John Paul II, we love you. Nung tumitigaw, si Pope John Paul at John Paul II, we love you. Nakangiti siya. Yung ngiti niya, parang nabakas mula dito sa ating na talagang buo na galing sa puso at maligayang-maligaya na sinasabi ang John Paul II, love you. Ang napansin namin dito kay Pope John Paul II, na nung bumaba siya ng Pope Camille, ang paakyat doon ito sa may asma o iglesia, nakita siya magkaroon ng nakapawasyon, ay mabasa lang okay. Ira, tignan natin yung mga nangyayari sa yung tablado. Meron tayong direct patch up to Channel 7. Okay, so iwan ko muna ito kumikitin po. Standby ka lang dyan, ha? Okay. Diyan ka lang sa pwesto. Swerte mo naman, dito harap na harap po yung papapasok Channel 7.
Hosted by the University for the International Youth Forum. It just ended with your mass with the delegates. We know, Holy Father, that you have a special place in your heart for the young people of the world because you see in them the future, the hope, the aspiration of a better world. Holy Father, as we welcome you once more to this university, which you have visited in 1981, and your predecessor, Pope Paul VI, in 1970, we are filled with gratitude. We are grateful for the example of courage that you continually show to our youth. We are grateful